Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Uday Singh, currently studying in 3rd SEM in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. This is video assignment of mathematics topic whose subject code is BCS 301. So let's start the video. The topic of the video is test of significance for means of two small samples. Introduction to significance testing. Significance testing is a statistical method to determine if the means of two samples differ significantly. It helps researchers infer the characteristics of a population based on simple data, sample data. Understanding the concept is crucial for accurate data interpretation in various fields. Importance of small samples. Small samples are often used when data collection is limited or costly. They can provide valuable insights, but they require careful statistical analysis. It is essential to understand how sample size affects the validity of results. Types of test for means. The two sample t-test is commonly used for comparing means for two independent groups. The paired t-test is used for relative samples where measurements are taken for the same subjects. Each test has specific condition and assumption that must be made for valid results. The two-sample t-test. The two-sample t-test assesses whether the means of two independent samples are significantly different. It is appropriate when the population variance are unknown and sample sizes are small. This test is sensitive. Assumption of this test is very sensitive. The sample must be independent of each for the t-test to be valid. Both populations should be normally distributed, especially important with small sample sizes. The variance of two populations should be approximately equal, although the test can be adjusted if they are not. Formulating hypothesis. The null hypothesis states that difference between the two population means the alternative hypothesis posits that there is significant difference between the means. Clearly defining these hypotheses is crucial for conducting the test. Calculating the t-test statics. The t-static is calculated using the sample mean, standards, and sizes. The formula incorporates the difference between views. It's increasing or not, where the static data helps determining the significance of the difference observed. The difference of freedom for two samples t-tests are calculated based on sample sizes. Formula is n1 plus n2 minus 2, where n1 and n2 are sample sizes. Understanding degree of freedom is essential for interpreting t-distribution table. The p-value indicates the probability of observing the data assuming the null hypothesis is true. A power p suggests the stronger evidence against the null hypothesis. Making a decision. Comparing the p-value to the chosen significance level to make a decision. If p equal to if p is less than or equal to sigma, then reject the null hypothesis. If p is greater than sigma, then fail to reject it. The pair t-test is used when the measurements are taken for the same subjects. This test accounts for the correlation between paired observation. It is particularly useful in before and after studies. Assumption of the paired t-test. The difference between paired observations must be normally distributed. Each pair must be independent of other pairs in the sample. This assumption ensures the reliability of the test result. Calculating the pair t-statics. The pair t-statics is computed based on the mean difference of the paired objections. The standard deviations of the difference is critical component of the calculation. This statically helps assess the significance of the observed changes. Confidence interval provides a range of values within which the true population means lie. For t-test, the confidence intervals can indicate the significance of the confidence interval does not include zero suggested significant difference. Reporting results. The results should be reported within the t-statics degree of freedom and p-value, including the confidence intervals add tips to the reported finding. Clear reporting helps other research understand and reply to that study. Practical application. The significance test for means is widely used in medical research, psychology, and social sciences. It informs decision making and policy development based on the empirical evidence. Conclusions of this video and this takeaways. Mastering significance testing for means allows for this conclusion for small samples. The choice between independent and paired t-test depends on studies and continued practice, and applications of these are very important. With this, our video assignment is over.